Good morning, children. I hope you liked the story, the earth story. And I told you how the earth was formed in the 6 days. Yes, and on the seventh day, when God saw the creation, he was very happy. And he said that the earth belongs to everybody. So we should always live in peace and harmony. Yes, children. So today we'll do the other activities of the lesson. Let's start with words to know. Vast, very big. Dating, running suddenly or quickly. Snoring, rising high. Docile, willing to obey. Masterpiece, an excellent piece of work. Now be mindful. Step outside into a garden, find a sunny spot and sit on the grass. Close your eyes and feel the sun on your skin. Concentrate on your body part the sun is touching and how it is warming up. Sun is the source of energy for all the living beings. Sun is always there shining and at the different parts of the earth at different time. Now take a deep breath and feel the air go through your nose and your body. Feel the breeze touching your different parts of the body. Open your eyes and watch leaves and plants and trees moving in the breeze. The clothes on your body and the hair flying in the breeze. Be aware of the air because it's always there. Nothing will survive on earth without air. Take off your shoes and sit on the grass. Feel your feet. Let it tickle your toes. Touch it with your hand and feel the connect with the ground. See how the grass holds the soil and its roots and how the soil nourishes the grass. Understand how they help each other. Nature is bountiful. We depend on it for our survival. If the sun stops shining, if the air stops blowing, water stops flowing and the plants and tree dies, life on earth will stop existing. Focus on the gift of nature and appreciate them. Yes, children. So you must have already done this or felt this, children. जब हम धूप में कभी बैठते हैं पार्क में, हमको कितना अच्छा लगता है. That cold breeze touching our face and our hair, our feet touching the grass. Sometimes we walk bare feet also on the grass just to get that connect, right? That is what nature is, children. अगर धूप नहीं होगी, हवा नहीं आएगी, plants नहीं होंगे, पानी नहीं होंगे, तो हम survive नहीं कर पाएंगे. We all are interlinked with each other. So we should appreciate the nature and we should try to keep it intact. We should try to keep it healthy all the time. Okay, now let's do question and answer. What was there before the creation of the world? So there was nothing before the creation of the world. There was just darkness. How were the days and night formed? So when God saw that there is a lot of darkness, so he got light, and then he said when it is dark it would be day and when it is light it would be day. When it is dark it would be night and when it is light it would be day. What things were made to cover the earth? So God made sun, God made moon, stars, sky, and then animals, water, human beings, plants and everything. What role did God define for sun and the moon? So the God said that when it is daytime the sun will come out and when it is night time the moon will come and shine with the stars. What things were created on the third day? So children, on the third day what did God created? So he created water and then he made a dry land too, and then he made flowers, tree, daffodils, right? Do you remember? That was created in the third day. How did marine life came into existence? So when God saw that the water is there, so he said there should be some living beings in the water. So he made big fishes and small fishes, and that's how marine life came into picture. When did God decided to create a man? So when God created everything, then he decided that there should be somebody to enjoy these things. The fishes, the trees, the fruits, the plants, the beautiful scenery. Then he made man. Why? With what purpose was man created? So God said that you will take care of everything that I created, and that is the reason the God created man. How does the following help us? So now you need to write it down, children. Sun. What does sun do for us? You need to write it down here. Air, forest, oceans and rivers, snow covered mountains. So read about everything, Google it and write it down here. Now we have Tony and Tutu. Why are you sitting at the tree, Tony? I was just thinking, what if there was no trees? No tree means no food, no branches, no hanging, and no home and no life. How miserable we would have been. Thank God for trees. See, now the bird is asking, what are you thinking, Tony? Why are you sitting there? Tree is saying, I'm just thinking that if trees nahi hoti, so we would not have got food, we would have not got branches, and we would have not been swinging from one tree to another. So I thank God to make the trees. So children, let's do subject connect. In our solar system, Earth is between Venus and Mars. In our solar system, Earth is the third largest. In our solar system, only Earth has its water. Arctic and Antarctic are covered with snow. Earth's atmosphere stays inside Earth due to its gravitation. Yes, children, if you Google about solar system, you will see much more information about it. So do that, children, and it is very interesting to see how it works, how the solar system works. Okay. Now, value for life. Our Earth is the only planet that has life on it. If you don't take care of it, the Earth will perish, and along with that, all life will come to an end. If people keep cutting down trees, it will have no air to breathe. Earth is excellent, and with beautiful plants and animals. Round and round it goes. The Earth is our only home. Be wise. Help the Earth to survive. Yes, children. So we should take care of the Earth, because if Earth goes away, if there is no water, no trees, no air, nothing, then we will also not be able to survive. So don't cut trees, plant more and more trees, water trees, keep your surroundings neat and clean. Okay. Now be wise. Recycling your waste, because it saves money by reducing consumption of fresh resource and manufacture new products. Plastic, glasses and metals and paper can easily be used to create new things. Biodegradable things like vegetable peels and other used to enrich soil. Yes, children. So we should always recycle. You must have seen we can recycle paper, then we have bottles, and then we have metals, glasses. वो सब recycle हो जाता है. And जो भी आपके vegetables का leftover रहता है, उससे what you can do is you can make fertilizers for your soil. Okay. So do that. That is very, very important to know. Save the cost of mining and extra fresh mineral and other products, their processing and their transport. So we save a lot of cost on processing and mining of the other minerals. Reduce garbage and put less pressure on landfill site. They reduce the amounts of harmful methane gas, which leads to greenhouse effect, and there is no reason for global warming. So जितना ज़्यादा होगा गार्बेज कम होगा, क्योंकि हम तो सॉइल बना रहे हैं, तो जो मीथेन गैस है, जो हार्मफुल गैस है, वो भी कम बनेगी. हेल्प्स इन द कॉन्वर्सेशन ऑफ रिसोर्स बाय प्रिवेंटिंग helps in the conservation of resource and use already available materials. They help in saving the fresh nature resource and for further use. Yes, तो जो भी आपके पास अवेलेबल है वही चीज़ें यूज़ करिए, आर्टिफिशियल चीज़ें नहीं यूज़ करिए. Helps the environment by consuming resource. Less garbage means reducing pollution, level of land, water and air. This helps to check the global warming, which helps to tackle climate change. Yes, so we should always work on reducing the garbage, ताकि ज़्यादा gases नहीं create हो, land को ज़्यादा नुकसान नहीं हो और हमको fresh air मिल पाए. And now we have activity, children. You have to do this activity when you have a free time. Take a round of your neighborhood. Make a list of harmful environmental issues you notice. For example, garbage strewn on ground, non-biodegradable items lying around, smoke, and water pollution. Take a picture if you are allowed. Write up on a harmful effects of the local environment and suggest some helpful methods to overcome it. Present the report to people as a reporter. So take a walk in your lane or in your surrounding and see what all dirty things you see there. Make a report on it and then talk to your elders that how should you work to reduce it. The second, research on the following to prepare a report on the effect of environment. Present this report in the class. Present your report to people as a reporter. So what you can do is, children, here we have many things like Hiroshima and Nagasaki bombing, then we have Bhopal gas tragedy, then we have effect of plastic pollutions, and then North Pacific garbage patch. So these are the options. You can prepare a report on any one of these and then you can either present it to your family, or when we meet in the class you can tell us. Okay. So children, the moral of this lesson is basically that God has created earth for everybody with lot of love. So we should take care of it and we should not misuse it, because our survival depends on how we keep the earth. Okay. So I hope you like the lesson and you will also take care of your surroundings and your nature. I will see you in the next class. Till that time, bye bye. Take care.